Hi, I'm Bridget from Crosby's. I love molasses baked beans, but making them is usually an all-day affair. Luckily, there's an easy way to speed up the process. It's using an Instant Pot. With an Instant Pot, also known as an electric pressure cooker, you're hours ahead of the game compared to the traditional method of an overnight soak and all-day baking. And homemade beans always taste better than store-bought. To start, place your dried beans in the Instant Pot and cover with 4 cups of water. Secure the lid, turn the pot's steam vent to close. On manual mode, set the timer for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, as the beans are cooking, combine brown sugar, molasses, salt, dried mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and pepper in the bowl. Add 2 cups of warm water and stir to combine. When the timer beeps, allow the pot to depressurize for about 20 minutes. Drain the beans and return them to the pot. Place the onion and apple on the beans. Pour the mixture over the beans. Secure the lid, turn the steam vent to close, and on manual mode set the timer for 15 minutes. If you find your beans are too soupy, you can turn the pot to sauté mode for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring with a wooden spoon until they reach your desired consistency. I really hope you like this quick and easy method for making delicious molasses baked beans. For more delicious molasses recipes, make sure you follow our channel. Thanks for watching.